This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Beautifully updated home in prime location. New flooring, doors, fresh paint inside and out, new lighting, updated baths, new 30 years architectural roof and much more. House boasts light, bright kit West/Kraftmaid cabinets and brand new stainless steel appliances including a wine chiller. 3-bedroom and full bath on upper level, half bath on main level and LG laundry room West/1/2 bath on lower level across from a huge bonus room West/closet. Fully fenced West/backyard access on both sides and very private close to shopping, I-5 and JBLM. 1-year home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206 406